guys, how's it going? I just want to make you a quick video today on trade ideas and how to use trade ideas for day trading. You guys may have seen me use this on stream. I have it up in the background, a couple different scanners set up for pre-market, but I don't have the full array of trade ideas open on stream. So today I wanted to make a video on how I personally use trade ideas, how important it is to my day trading, and how to effectively use it and set it up. And as always, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you know every time I go live or every time I'm posting a new video, and let's get right into it. So as you see right here, constant alerts are hitting this scanner, and they're set up based on a specific parameter that I've created. Let's say that you're just watching the gainer list for the day, and you really don't know exactly what's running or what's actively running. This will bring your eyes to things that you may not realize are actively running right now, but really are. So that helps a whole lot when it comes to day trading. So this is the mainly the scanner that's going off for me right here, low float plus volume spike. I've got a couple different ones, like a new high of day scanner, a low float scanner, a low float pump scanner, which is basically like super low float and getting unusual volume in the morning. This one's called runner of the day. I made this myself. It's basically right at open. You get big volume as compared to other days. This is the small cap volume leader. I made an intraday gainer, which is gainers after the open. And then this is the overall gainer list for the day. So you can set these up however you want. You can go up to new. You can make an alert window. You can make a top list window, which will be like a gainer list. You can make whatever you want. You can do a single stock window, which pulls up the actual info for the stock. And you can type in whatever you want, and it'll show here. So that's the really key important parts of trade ideas. If you guys wanted my particular scanner, I wouldn't have a problem sending it to you. That's something I can easily send over like the save file of my scanner, and then you guys can open it and it'll pull up exactly what I have right here. So that makes it a little bit easier. But trade ideas is very important to the way that I trade, because I trade actively and I trade momentum. So I'm looking for things that are running right now. Not running, throughout the day, not running 10 minutes ago, but actively moving right now. So this type of scanner will help me identify things that are actively moving. This particular scanner is nice because it's the gainer list. Of course, you can look back throughout the day, say, oh, this ran, this ran, this ran. You can go back and look at the charts to see how they're doing, but the other scans that you create that are, say, high of day scanners or volume scanners can show you what's actively moving at this point. And I don't think I could trade a day without it. It would be so quiet in my head not being able to hear the scanner and hear what's moving, and just have to look at the gainer list to find my movers. So I wanted to, while this good sale was going on for the holiday, I wanted to make a video on like my setup, my scanners, the parameters, and I'm fine with sending you guys the parameters if you want it. That's fine with me. I don't have a problem with that. I do have a pre-market one. I've got an intraday one. This is the intraday you're seeing right now because I'm filming this at like 3:30, 3:45 in the day. So this is today actively happening right now. This is what I see. This is what I'm hearing. And I do have an after hours one, but after hours has been kind of slow lately, so I haven't been using it as much. But I have all these different scanners set up, and it's super nice to, be sitting here like, oh, I don't know what's going on. And then you hear like these specific scanners. You look and see, oh my gosh, it's had news, or somebody tweeted about it, or some overall like market factor is affecting, like President Biden spoke about drones today. Why is UAVS and VISL moving? And it's because of something overall market that came out, and you hear that first on these scanners. So these scanners are very sensitive. You can set it up exactly how you want. You can put whatever parameters you need in it, but it's real time and will tell you as soon as that stock is hitting your specific parameters. So it makes life a whole lot easier as a day trader. But if you're an active day trader and you're looking for a good scanner, I think Trade Ideas is top tier. So I just want to make you guys a quick little video, kind of go over what Trade Ideas is, explain like you can set it up with different parameters, with different prices, and do whatever. But wanted you guys to be able to also take advantage of the sale while it's going on. So if you don't take the sale, that's fine, but I just want to show you guys, this is what Trade Ideas looks like. This is what I'm hearing in my head every day while I'm trading, and this is what actively helps me trade. So I appreciate you guys watching this video, and I will either see you on the next video or I'll see you on the live stream.